Hi, this is Miss Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to take a project that you have created in Adobe Spark and upload it to Canvas. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have named your project. So you see here, I have named mine COVID Flyer. And then on the far right side of the screen, you'll see the Share button. If you click on that Share button, drop-down box appears and you want to publish. The Invite button is if you want someone to collaborate with you, and we don't use Google Drive, so you wouldn't select that for our purposes. So once again, you select Publish, and then you're going to click on the word Link. Now, once that link appears in the box, you're going to select the button Copy. Once that is copied, you're going to go to the top of your screen and find that assignment in Canvas. So mine is right here. I'm going to put this on student view so you can see what it looks like for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to select Submit Assignment and then scroll down and make sure that you are on the tab that says Website URL. You can click on other tabs if you have other types of assignments. So if you are submitting something from Office 365, you would click on that tab. But because we selected a link, we're going to use Website URL. So we come to the box where it says Website URL. We click our mouse to make sure it's there. Then I hold the Control button down and press the V, and you will see that my link is posted. And then if there are any comments that you want to add for your teacher, you type them there. And then when you are done, you press Submit Assignment. And once you have done that, you are finished. You'll see the confetti. I had pizza. I am done. And that is how you submit an Adobe Spark product in Canvas.